Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in Third Ward, right off of 288, so close to downtown. And as you just saw, over that wall was the brand new HEB. And if you don't know what HEB, it is one of Houston's top grocery stores that is only located in Texas. And they have everything you could need and desire. But let's get back to the tour. This home is built in the Riverside area in a community called Geneve Place. This is going to be a home that is going to be 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a little over 2,000 square feet. And get this home comes with a price tag in the low $500,000 range. This home is going to be zoned to Lockhart Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. Now remember, you are so close to downtown that if you don't want to go with a public school, you have plenty of options in private schools and Montessori schools. Now, this home does not have an HOA, so if you don't want to do an HOA, this might be the perfect location for you. You are not only close to the medical center and downtown, but you're not far from the NRG Stadium where the rodeo is and the Texans play. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Also, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Oh,